everyone, Daisy here again with another layout for Paper House Productions. Today I'm doing a layout featuring the destination stickers. These are 3D cardstock stickers. They have a very kind of low loft foam on them, so they stand out but don't add a lot of bulk to your project. I'm using them on a scrapbook page today, but these would be perfect for a traveler's notebook. They would work in a planner if you don't mind a little bit of dimension in your planner. They would also, I think, be perfect for school or work type projects or presentations because they are, excuse me, so versatile. So what I'm starting with is this gray background paper. This is from the Great Outdoors collection in the camping kit. And the other side of this is the 12 by 12 cut apart cards. And what I did is I prepped the page with some clear gesso, and that's from Prima, and then I'm using some Shimmers products and spraying them on the background. I also used some of my old Glimmer Mist and sprayed that on the back as well just to add a little bit more sparkle. And I'm just coming in with some splatters. I end up covering most of this up, but I really love the depth that it kind of adds to this paper. It's very subtle, but it gives it kind of a cool shadowy look around my clusters. So these three pictures are, one is of me, one is of Christy from Christy's Beautiful Life, and one is of Christina Sorge. And we have become really close. We talk online daily. And I just wanted to document how even though we live very far apart, we can still be best friends. So I am using the Canada destination stickers, the Arizona destination stickers, and one of the Discover USA sticker sets to represent the places that we are from. Christy lives in Canada, so of course she's getting all of the Canadian stickers here. And I'm just picking the ones that I like. Not all of them are, not all of them have dimension, but I'm just picking a few to represent each of our locations. Christina is from Arizona, so I'm using those stickers to layer down by her photo. And I'm from Wisconsin, and I did not get a Wisconsin set of stickers, so I am just using kind of these generic type USA stickers, and I used a little heart and put it on the map of the United States and put it over Wisconsin and then put that little geotag over it, and I feel like that's representative enough. So I am pulling out, I needed a few more embellishments near my photo, and I pulled out some of the Great Outdoors flake stickers and added them. I also added a couple above Christy's picture. It's a bear and a leaf. I think I added 2 leaves by my picture. And here there was a little jump in my video. I must have gotten a phone call or something. So I did add some felt pieces, and those are from Spiegelbaum Scraps. And I just felt like, because Christy and I both live in cooler climates where we get snow, that the little snowflakes would be perfect. And then I added a little felt cloud down by Christina's because she doesn't get snow. Lucky duck. So I'm just layering some of these up. I believe Christy and Christina's pictures are both up on Fun Foam, and mine is flat to the page. And I did, since I didn't have the title of Wisconsin, I did use some tile letter stickers from My Mind's Eye to write Wisconsin above my photo. And that blue color, not exactly how to explain what that blue color is also found in that stack of suitcases next to my picture, and it's also in the map of Arizona by Christina, so I felt like it kind of pulled throughout, and that's how I chose that color. I'm just sticking these down, and I really love those sticker flakes. This is my first time using them, and they are really great layering little stickers, and they're adhesive backed already, so they're just kind of perfect. And that bear is amazing. I love that bear. Not that Christy lives somewhere where there's bears running around, but I thought it just works. So now I'm starting to think about my title, and it took me a little while to come up with exactly what I wanted to use. I am going to use some thickers, and it's the Memento White thickers, excuse me. And I'm just going to start layering them here. I will use some more of those My Mind's Eye tile stickers as well as part of my title. And I'm just going to add it in that kind of blank area underneath those, kind of where I'm putting it right now, to the right of Christina's photo. And I'm just trying to get these straight, which they did not really want to go on straight, but I think that they're meant to be a little wonky, and that was not working in my brain. So now my title is done. I am going to add a few more splatters because, you know, the nature of mixed media, I covered it all up, of course. And then I am going to add a little bit of journaling down inside that title area next to the from. And that's pretty much going to complete my layout. I want to thank you so much for watching, and if you don't already, head on over and follow Paper House on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest, and then you'll be able to see all of the inspiring layouts and projects that are created by the design team, as well as be notified of when there's sales or new product releases. There's also a Paper House YouTube channel, so if you haven't already checked that out, you might want to stop over there. I'll have links below to all of the different social media sites that you can follow them on. But that's pretty much going to finish it up for me. I really enjoyed playing with these stickers, and I feel like this was a great way to highlight multiple destination stickers on one layout, and have it actually not be about traveling, because it really isn't. It's just about us being from different places. So thanks so much for watching. I will see you again next time. Bye!